Chef Boro.
All right, here we go.
There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, let's get a picture of you, Steve. Go ahead and take a look at us. Fantastic. Steve is looking at Steve.
Hey, Josh. What's going on? All right.
Hey, Chef. Yippee-ki-yaki, how are you?
How you doing?
Oof. Now this is a steak.
Yes. Yes. With a 5 cut of meat.
Now that's fantastic.
Solid piece of meat.
Solid piece of meat.
That's a couple inches. 6 if my wife is around.
Hey! Jokes
Is that 6 if you had both together? Oh, keep that in the hardest part. No, that is so broken up inside.
Excellent stuff.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that seasoning right there.
You got it.
What's going on?
Can't be shy. You can't be shy with the salt and peps. Can't be shy with the salt and peps.
Never too much. Never too much. He knows his meat well.
Look at the technique on that.
He knows his way around a piece of meat.
Yeah, he does. By the way, that griddle that I got is no joke.
Good griddle?
Gotta pat it up a little bit.
Stuff on it?
Huh?
Flip it over. The key to working in the kitchen is you gotta wash your hands in between stuff because you can't just be touching stuff.
Are you live from Taiwan? I feel like yeah, we got it.
Yeah, she's definitely on
Interruption. Taiwan is no good about it.
A little more pep over here on this side. You want to make a little salt.
Hello, welcome back.
Gary, what did you say?
I said that you are our Taiwanese sportcaster.
This is why we have bad service in Taiwan. We cannot get you there.
Today was a rough battle.
Oh, we didn't have any potato today, so we'll be going with some pasta as a side.
Do you see it?
Start by boiling some water.
Huh?
We add a little salt over here.
No, it's a big bag.
Wait a minute, I have to make a commercial for the race law.
Reclam now, pause.
Wait, do you see this?
We'll let
Do
the
you
steak
see what
start
he's
getting
wearing?
ready. In the meantime, we'll prepare a little salad.
Piece of meat right there.
A cow. It's good enough for the girls I go out with.
You go out with girls? You go out with girls? What girls?
Then while we're getting this, we'll get the oven going
Simone, do you see this?
to about 400 degrees. All this is prepping. And here's the wife doing her usual job in the kitchen, getting in the way. Not getting garlic. Stop complaining. No, he's gonna bake it. He's gonna bake it. Show you how to make the special garlic. Do with the garlic.
The entire bulb.
The entire clove of garlic. And yeah, bulb, exactly. And what happens here is take a little olive oil.
Who's grading Ronnie?
Ronnie's already finished. He started early. Take a little olive oil right here.
Ronnie.
And a little dab will do ya.
Real dab
you put some salt in that. You can't be shy.
Pink Himalayan.
Pink Himalayan.
Only the best.
And you just do this. You do this. Roll it up. Roll it up like that. Just roll it up like that. We'll set,
What are you gonna be doing?
set these guys aside.
Ronnie got Caesar salad? Nah, we're gonna have Ribeye.
Just put that in there for now while all this works. A little further in there.
Nah, we're good.
Wait, what is
Let that work.
chicken nugget and french fries?
That's a segment for Nickelodeon, Simone. Yeah, that's for Nickelodeon.
Babe, I need you to leave the kitchen.
Or
I need you to leave
Okay, I was
the
asked
kitchen.
to leave the kitchen. Bye, guys.
Bye.
When the wife comes, you gotta quack around until she leaves. Special ingredient. Special ingredient.
White vino. What? Simone, Stephen Gordon.
Artie, this is it for you right here. High heat. A little butter. And while all this happens, we work on the salad. This onion. I like a little extra onion in my salad. Jane doesn't eat it, so I just end up eating it all. Okay. If you want your avocado not to rot while it's opening this, you got to put a little lemon juice on the outside and it stays green instead of turning brown and decaying. Feed the dog a little bit. Here you go, buddy. Good boy. All right, so we got this pasta right here, straight from the Italia, pre-COVID days, so it's probably worth a little more. Another quick tip, if you don't want your pasta to stick together, you put a little bit of olive oil, and the water and oil don't mix, so that olive oil is just gonna stay at the top. It's just gonna stay at the top. And when you throw that pasta in, it's gonna coat itself going in. Back it down. Get the remaining stuff. Now what I forgot to do is put a little bit of butter. Get that butter on here. Perfection. Get that butter nice. Okay, here we go. There we go. Stir the pasta up. Time for the steaks to go on. You always want to drop the meat away from yourself so it doesn't splash at you. Got to keep a little space. And this is a cool thing. It doesn't actually cover your food, but it prevents it from splashing all over the place. We'll just keep that for this for now. And these steaks are kind of thick, so we want to give them about 4 minutes on each side, maybe 3 minutes on each side. While we wait for this, get a little cheese grater out. Get a little Parmesan. Making everything from scratch today, baby. Boom. Excellent. I think we could do a quick check on our steak just to see what's happening. Oh yes, that's the stuff. This is the stuff, Artie. This is what high heat. This is what high heat does to your steak. All right, you want that char? Here you go. What we'll do with this butter now, Artie, now that we tossed the steak over, take this butter, cut it into 2 pieces. Put 1 piece on top of here, 1 piece on top of there. Let it melt and do its thing. And we have about 2 minutes left on that side over there. Let's take a quick look at what's happening. Looking good. All right, put the broil on. So you got this. Right in there. Just need about a couple of minutes in that broiler. While that's happening, we can start finishing up the salad. This pasta is done. Boom. Just like that. Take a piece of butter. Throw it back in here. Pasta. Throw that back in there. The steak is looking good. is looking good. Look at that broiler. Can you see it? Look at the flames. Flame on. Alright. Just like that. Just like that. This here. Just a pinch. Oop. Boom. Here's the fresh salad. For sure. That's good looking. That's gonna look nice inside. Transfer over the pasta. And we take off the steak and we let him rest. We give him a couple of minutes to chill out. Well, let's check on how these are doing. How are we looking? Looking good.
Where's the other dish?
All right, it's time for the test. It's time for the test. Whoa. Boom, just like that. Nice and juicy. Nice and juicy.
Wait. Sit.
Boom. Perfect steak.